A cinematic ultra-wide exterior view of a modern M&M's chocolate factory at sunrise, with clean industrial architecture and soft steam rising from vents. Delivery trucks arrive at the loading docks under realistic morning light, creating a premium documentary feel. A smooth aerial drone shot circles the massive factory complex, capturing its full scale and organized layout. Golden sunlight reflects off metallic rooftops, emphasizing modern industrial precision inside the factory. A wide shot reveals spotless production halls filled with stainless steel machinery. Bright LED lighting and shallow depth of field highlight a hygienic, high-tech environment. A uniformed factory worker wearing gloves, a mask, and a hairnet stands confidently near the production line. The worker smiles toward the camera in a professional, welcoming factory atmosphere. Large sacks of cocoa beans are stacked neatly on pallets inside a receiving warehouse. The scene shows industrial organization, clean floors, and controlled lighting. A close-up macro view shows cocoa beans pouring from sacks into inspection trays, using digital control panels. The control room looks modern, clean, and highly technical. Liquid chocolate flows smoothly through heated stainless steel pipelines. The tracking style composition emphasizes continuous motion. Chocolate is precisely deposited onto moving conveyor belts in small, round portions. Machinery operates with perfect timing and accuracy. Perfectly shaped chocolate drops form evenly on the conveyor belt. A shallow depth of field highlights uniform size and texture. Chocolate centers pass through a cooling tunnel filled with cold mist. Dramatic lighting enhances the transformation stage. Hardened chocolate centers are collected in clean stainless steel containers. The workflow appears efficient and contamination-free. In slow motion, chocolate centers roll forward together. The cinematic movement emphasizes smooth production flow. Large rotating coating drums are filled with chocolate centers. The wide shot shows industrial scale and synchronized motion. Sugar syrup is sprayed evenly inside rotating coating pans. The controlled motion ensures uniform shell formation. A close-up reveals sugar layers forming smoothly around each candy. Fine texture details are clearly visible. Multiple coating drums operate simultaneously in perfect rhythm. The scene highlights mass production efficiency. Industrial airflow systems dry the sugar shells evenly. Soft cinematics reflect off the smooth surfaces. Freshly polished M&Ms shine under bright factory lights. Ultra-realistic macro details show flawless texture. Candies flow smoothly toward the logo printing machines. The tracking motion adds cinematic depth. High-precision machines print the iconic white M logo on each candy. Mechanical accuracy is the focus. A close-up shows edible ink stamping the logo perfectly. Slow-motion styling emphasizes precision. Sensors scan candies to confirm logo placement accuracy. The environment looks futuristic and controlled. Image-finished M&Ms with perfect logos move along the conveyor belt. Crisp lighting enhances product clarity. Inside the quality control lab, candies are examined under LED lights. Stainless tables and clean tools dominate the scene. Technicians manually inspect shelf thickness and color accuracy. Protective gear reinforces food safety. Automated sorting machines remove imperfect candies at high speed. Motion blur conveys efficiency. Rejected candies are diverted into a recycling channel. The process appears clean and waste-conscious. Approved environment remains spotless and organized. Branded cartons are stacked neatly inside the warehouse. The wide angle shows organized logistics. Robotic arms stack cartons onto pallets with perfect alignment. Smooth motion and cinematic lighting dominate. Shrink wrapping machines secure pallets for transport. Plastic wrap reflects industrial lighting. Digital warehouse screens track inventory in real time. Modern UI elements add a high-tech feel. Forklifts transport pallets toward loading docks. Motion blur adds energy to the scene. Delivery trucks are loaded efficiently at the factory docks. Wide framing shows organized distribution. Inside a delivery truck, cartons are stacked securely. Clean arrangement ensures safe transport. Trucks leave the factory at sunset under golden light. A cinematic farewell shot sets the tone. Retail shelves display colorful M&Ms packets. Soft commercial lighting enhances appeal. In slow motion, M&Ms pour into a bowl. Vibrant colors create a satisfying visual. A macro shot captures a candy. The final conveyor shot fades gently into darkness. A minimalist cinematic ending. A wide shot reveals the entire production line in motion. Smooth dolly movement adds depth. Factory lights slowly dim as production winds down. Soft transitions signal closure. A calm shot of silent machines after production ends. The factory rests under low light. A final wide view shows the complete factory floor one last time.
Order and scale dominate, the M&Ms factory exterior fades into darkness.
Subtle cinematic grain adds polish. A clean end frame with an empty conveyor belt symbolizes completion.
The process is finished.